Hello, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to show you what is possible with learning, multiple years of math in 1 year with AI tools and a workbook. I'm going to show you how AI and study skills can go together. We need both because we don't want students to become too dependent on AI. So here's what I mean. So basically, imagine that you have a dashboard where students are working on polynomial addition, polynomial subtraction. They basically are working through these different elements, right? So polynomial addition, imagine it's standardized. Doesn't matter what country you're in, we know what you're talking about, right? And so the goal is we're building these dashboards to help students see every single strand of concepts they need for algebra, algebra 2, geometry, pre-calc, calculus, and more. And so as they master the concepts, it turns green. If they haven't learned it, it's yellow. And then there could be topics where they struggle, and that will be red, and they can work on making those green. So that's what the dashboard will look like. But then imagine you have ChatGPT, right? And you have all the topics you need to know. So you can look up the topic and then basically say, give me examples and practice problems. That's part of what we've done with the Accounting to Calculus AI connection, is we've given you a list of topics which are on our website. And you can also reach out to me at amos@amosthemathguy.com, amos@amosthemathguy.com. So you can reach out to me for these topics, or you can go to our website, accountingtocalculus.org. And the idea is that you have the topics, you have ChatGPT, you could type in and ask for, hey, give me examples, right? Give me 5 examples of polynomial addition, and then 5 practice problems. So you tell ChatGPT, right? It gives you 5 examples. Excellent. And then you take these examples and you actually write them into your workbook, right? So we have these workbooks I'm going to show you in a second. And then you have these practice problems, right? And then you can have it grade your work, right? When you finish, it will then automatically update. Once you enter in that data, it'll update and turn these to green. Then you go to the workbook section, right? So you could get all the workbooks for the classes that you're taking. And the idea is we guide you from pre-algebra to algebra 1 and 2 to geometry and trig, which, by the way, you can do algebra 1 and 2, geometry and trig all in a year, just so you know. So you can do 4 years of math in a year. And then we have all these workbooks for you: chemistry, physics, calculus, economics. And all you do is you can use the textbooks we recommend, or you can use ChatGPT as a resource, right? Remember, the key is you want to show your work in your notebook and discuss with your coach. We believe that AI plus coaching is the way to go, not just AI by yourself. And then again, we're going to go over all these things in our Accounting to Calculus app. So the app is being worked on this year, and you'll be able to get a subscription plan where you basically have all the videos and you get a tutor or mentor to guide you along the way from Accounting to Calculus. What we're doing is we're basically taking 12 years of math and saying you should be able to finish that in 2 to 3 years comfortably and performing well, because you have your workbook where you could go back and study the notes that you've taken, right? So you keep all your notes for every single topic. So for example, if you're working on the chain rule, we give you a page dedicated to the chain rule. We give you the graph paper, and then we give you a reference chart at the end of the workbook. So you have all the workbooks structured this way. And the reason is because, again, AI is great as a tool, but we really have to build your study skills at the same time. If you're going to go to med school, you need to have very good study skills. And so this is unique, right? This is a unique approach. AI plus workbooks working together for a common goal, getting you from counting to calculus in the most efficient way possible, along with a coach that is checking in on your workbook, a coach that you could ask questions and discuss questions about. Here's an idea I have about job shadowing. Here's an idea I have about a STEM career. We're here to help. That's what the Accounting to Calculus movement is about. We want to give children a chance, or people or adults that are learning math. We want to give everyone a chance to learn math at the highest level with efficiency. Reach out if you have any questions. This is Amos Tarfa, Amos the Math Guy. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share our videos. We're looking forward to transforming math around the world in 2025 and beyond. Take care and have a blessed day.